Recently, I read something that rang so true. I think the most unknown, yet the most common form of slavery is fear. Fear of losing your job. Fear of losing your man. Fear of losing yourself. You just can't think clearly as long as you fear. You are a slave to someone or something all the time, and no shackles are heavier as fear. How not to fear? Use self-control. You are in control and how you feel. For example, if you fear someone's criticism, you're ruled by them. They have you by the balls. You shouldn't care about what they're saying. Just don't do it. You're in charge of your own ship. You're in charge of your own mind. Just get rid of that fear. Don't care about what they say. Like Janis Joplin said, freedom is just another word for nothing left to lose. Trust yourself. Have the courage. Change things you fear. Because once you realize it, you can stop it and be free.